Our skin is the largest organ on our bodies, so it's important to take care of it. So here's lifestyle expert Stephanie Rance with a few simple tips to help make it glow. Welcome, Stephanie.
Hi there, Cindy. That's right. We want to keep our skin looking beautiful all year long. So first, drink water. 8 glasses of water a day is a great goal to set for yourself because each sip provides a lot of benefits. Water helps to flush our digestive system and other toxins lurking in the body. It also helps to combat certain skin issues, which improves your complexion and gives you a healthy, hydrated glow. Next, protect your skin. Sunscreen with SPF protects your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. By applying sunscreen daily, you'll help minimize the penetration of UV rays on your skin, which can otherwise cause a variety of skin disorders.
All right, easy enough, but what if our skin still needs a little help?
Well, another way to achieve skin you're proud of is with NIRA Skin. No matter how careful we are, our skin will continue to age. But thanks to the NIRA Skincare Laser, we have a way to give our skin a boost. The beauty of this FDA-cleared laser is you can use it at home. If you've always wanted to reduce a few fine lines and wrinkles without toxic creams, unnatural chemicals, or invasive treatments that can cause pain and irritation, then this might be a better solution for you. The NIRA Skincare Laser works by reversing the loss of collagen using a non-fractional and non-linear laser fluence to gently heat the dermis just below the pain threshold. And you'll be glad to know that 87% of users say NIRA is enjoyable to use. In as little as 2 minutes a day, you'll start to see reduced wrinkles and fine lines at a fraction of the price of a professional laser treatment using the same laser technology. This is the most advanced at-home skincare laser that boosts your body's own natural ability to produce collagen. And with 12 patents under its belt, this technology will help you reveal firmer, youthful-looking skin and give you a beautiful glow without any downtime.
It's always amazing to see new innovations. Where can we learn more?
So head to niraskin.com for more information.
All right, thanks for the tips, Stephanie.
My pleasure.
Daytime will be right back.